Hello guys, welcome to Simple Tech Solutions. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to install Wamp server on Windows 10. But before I begin, I would like to thank every one of you for all the comments, likes and messages. And most importantly, for subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much. To install the Wamp server on Windows 10, the installation process is quite similar to Windows 7 and 8. But first we need to check our operating system type so we can download the correct version. To check the system type, right-click on this PC icon and click Properties. As you can see, I have a 64-bit system type. You might have a 32-bit. But if you can't see this icon, type in the search box this PC and do a right-click on that icon. So it will take you to the same place where we check the system type. So let's start. Open the browser and search in Google Wamp server and click on the first link that says wampserver.com. Next, go to the menu navigation and click on the download link, or just scroll down and click on the 64-bit link. Here you can fill this form if you wish to, but I will skip it for now and click on the link to download the Wamp server directly. Now click on the green button for the download to start. The download might take some time, depends on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the download is finished, we need to navigate to the folder where we save the file. In Windows 10, the file is downloaded into the download folder. Please follow the screen direction. Click the file to install the Wamp server. Here we need to select the preferred language, which is English. The next screen is talking about the license agreement, so if you accept it, make sure to check I accept the agreement and click Next. Okay, this screen is very important, as it explains the prerequisite for the Wamp server. So we need to install the Visual C++ packages before we go ahead with the installation. Otherwise our Wamp server will not work. To download those packages, we need to open the browser and search in for Wamp server redistribution packages. Click the first link. Once the page is loaded, scroll down all the way. Here we can see the packages for the 32-bit operating system and 64-bit. Since we had 64-bit system type, we need to download the 32-bit and the 64-bit packages. Once the download is finished, let's navigate to the folder where we saved the file. But before I install the packages, another way to find those packages is by just scrolling down and find the links for each of these packages. Okay, let's cancel the installation of the Wamp server so we can install the packages first. Since the packages are in a zip file, we need to extract the files. And then we install all the files in order. Okay, installation of the packages has been finished, so we are ready to install the actual Wamp server. Okay, so let's click on the installation file. Select the preferred language, so which is English, and click OK. Select I accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next as we have already installed the packages. Here we are going to install the Wamp server into the following location. So click Next. Choose which component you want to include into the Wamp server and click Next. Here we leave the menu folder as default, so click Next and then click Install. Now we need to choose a default browser, so my advice is to change it from Internet Explorer to Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Choose No if you wish to leave the Notepad as the default text editor. Click Next and complete the installation. Okay, installation has been finished. So let's check if our Wamp server is running in the system icon tray. Since we can't see the icon in the system tray, that means the server is not running. So we need to run the server by clicking on the shortcut on the desktop. Okay, now the server is running, so let's test it to make sure everything is running perfectly. As we saw, everything was installed perfectly fine. So you have successfully installed the Wamp server on Windows 10. If you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like key and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more. Thank you.